Started from the bottom, now we on the way to the top. Never giving up on this dream, cause music is where it stops. So talk, but I ain't listen. Hate, and I just glisten. You're giving me ammunition, I'll fire back with precision. Yeah, so put me on, I'm ready. I'm misfit, but I'm steady. Compassionate, but I'm deadly. Chase for the goals that are set like Messi. So can you feel this now? That's right, I'm screaming loud. Finally making progress. Shouts out to myself. First rule, be the best. And I'm getting there, homie, what do you suggest? More wordplay, will it keep you impressed? I'm a criminal then, cause I resist arrest, yes. I cannot sleep, grinding hard cause this road's steep. It's a battle out here like Helm's Deep. Looking like it's a division sweep. I give it my all, I'm ready to fall. Back to the wall, now feel so small. Never going back, I'm staying on track. Moving up, yeah, I'm on attack. I need this, and I need it now. I'm fighting for it like Pacquiao. So take a shot, and I'm knocking down, cause you ain't gonna turn my life around. Let's go. Now I'm feeling like an MVP. Yeah, I'm feeling like an MVP. So talk, but we ain't listening, yeah. Cause now we feeling like some MVP.
Working like 24/7, feeling like the MVP, that's Kevin. Way I'm living, I was driven. I bet you can hear the engine revving. Knew I was gonna kill it ever since I started. Now they say rest in peace to the dearly departed. Never been the type of person never gon' slack. Been at the bottom, I'm never gon' back. Yes, I failed, but I prevailed. Keenan Kel, the kid, all that. So my head high, yeah, that's where I'm holding. I found my own lane. It's like they never been bowling. Now it's crazy they envy me. I'm not signed no MBD. I just put it on the NET, trying to fit it on the MP3. And I'm almost dead. Yeah, they almost know me. I paid my dues, and now they all owe me. I'm a visionary, yes, I can see more. Yes, I was lost, that was beat for a detour. Reaching for the sky, like forget your ceiling. Just to let you know, this is how I'm feeling.
Now I'm feeling like an MVP. Yeah, I'm feeling like an MVP.